All right, so why should I give him 5 years? The complainant in this case is the same complainant that he has the new case on.
There was some other things going on in his home life and stuff. I believe he's had some family health issues and stuff.
No, defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, freedom of information, and rights under Article 1.051. By information, you're charged with assault family household member with a previous conviction. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
There is, with the exception of, I had put restitution, should there be any, I know that he would be entitled to restitution here.
All right, it's going to be restitution if any. Let me just tell you, if they're sending you to prison and your counsel is waiving a PSI, then whatever that restitution amount that person claims, that's going to be the restitution amount. And when you're up for parole, they'll take it up with parole. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, restitution, if any, to Anissa Nicole Guerra. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated primary custodian?
Would ask the court to go along with the plea bargain that it's taken us quite some time to negotiate, but I think he wants to get this behind him. It's unfortunate that we've ended up here, but I think he is ready to move on and become a productive citizen once he gets this behind him.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Anissa Nicole Guerra. There's a $1,500 fine. State is taking in consideration 2025 AL 006.
battering intervention and prevention program in violation of condition number 15.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
This is the part that really blows my mind. We're talking about a second assault on the same victim, and the discussion somehow turns into whether the next 5 years should just run at the same time. That makes absolutely no sense to me. If you're already on probation for putting someone in the hospital, and then you turn around and do it again, why would that ever be treated like one big
in his home life and stuff. I believe he's had some family health issues and stuff, but he was doing the things he was supposed to be doing. He just didn't complete it because of the circumstances. So that makes him not a good candidate for probation. But I don't think to punish him in excess for something that's occurred after this probation expired is fundamentally fair on the original deferred.
No, I mean, because he hasn't learned anything. And I don't know what's happening in his relationships, but it doesn't appear he's learned anything. And I don't know why I should sentence him to just 5 years when he's been sentenced on an assault family household member with a previous conviction, which means there's a previous conviction, and it's against the same complainant that he's on probation for. State, why should I give him 5 years?
It just seemed that in your best interest, considering, yes, it's just
On 1524, there's to be no contact with Anissa Guerra. There's to be no residing in a household with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is that as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence and a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're gonna have to start making better decisions. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself in and out of somebody's prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And your relationship with her is over. You
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
I don't know about you guys, but 8 years honestly feels light when you really think about what this victim went through. Not once, but twice. That said, seeing Judge Boyd go above the plea deal at least shows the court wasn't willing to treat this like a one-time slip-up. It's a reminder that when violence turns into a habit, the justice system eventually stops offering soft landings. On a real note, though, I just hope the victim finally gets distance and peace after all of this, because nobody deserves to live in fear, especially of someone who keeps proving they can't control themselves. And I know 3 extra years might not sound like much to some people in the comments, but that is a long time when you're sitting in a cell thinking about your choices. With a 10-year max and bit of feedback really helps me make better videos, and I truly appreciate it.